Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the plate contains a motion vector EXR pass and importing it correctly. Open a read node and choose the EXR, then ensure the vector layer name matches what Nuke expects. Once done, set your project to linear color and match formats to avoid resampling errors. You should inspect the layer in the viewer using Shuffle or Vector field. This quickly proves the data is present. If the pass is missing, request a render with 2D motion vectors from your renderer. Now you turn the raw motion into usable vectors. Use a shuffle node to map motion X and Y into the red and green channels, then feed that into a vector field node. This converts the EXR vectors into Nuke space. Make sure to set scale and normalize options so magnitude matches pixels. You can toggle raw versus normalized depending on your EXR convention. Once normalized, connect the vector field into tools like Vector Distort or Motion Blur to drive realistic pixel displacement. Preview at multiple frames to confirm direction and strength. Finish by refining strength and filtering. Tweak vector field scale and vector distort blur samples to remove jitter, and use a bilateral or temporal blur on the vector pass when needed. Then composite corrected elements over the plate and lock final settings before rendering with a right node. If results look wrong, inspect vector orientation and try flipping X or Y signs. Also confirm alpha channels and premultiplication. One key tip: view vectors as color in the viewer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.